It's time to replace the battery in your CR2 AED to ensure it is always ready for rescue. Remove the CR2 battery from the box. Turn over the AED and remove the current battery from the back of the CR2. Slide the new battery into position until it clicks into place. Open the lid and wait to see that the green Ready for Rescue symbol is flashing. You can also view the Ready for Rescue symbol when the lid is closed through the porthole on the top middle of the lid. Your new battery will be good for 4 years from the date of install. Action First Aid's AED tracking tool, Ready for Action, will help you keep your records up to date. Thank you for doing your part to ensure we all have access to an AED that will be ready to help save a life. For any questions related to your AED or training, please email info@actionfirstaid.ca or give us a call at 705-720-2978.